Okay, folks, here's what we're doing. We are replacing the lock panel. As you can see, I boogered mine all up when trying to drill out the hole. So I purchased, like a lot of people have done, the pre-drilled one. It is the most difficult and pain in the butt thing I've ever had to do. Between blood, sweat, and tears, and cussing, and everything else, I finally got this piece back up into here. If you notice, this piece and the way it's designed has to go up, under, and around the cable mechanism that comes down here to lock. Now I got it up by shoving and twisting. It was a Chinese puzzle, but I finally got it up. Now I've got to get to that little screw that is right back there, and I took it off very carefully and slowly with this little ratchet. Now I've got to try to get it started back in the hole to ratchet it back. You have to do it very slowly, and you only have a very fraction to be able to even do it. I'll pause this and see if I can get it started and show you where I'm at. Alright folks, I'm back. It's been about 15 minutes. I know it's only been a few minutes for you, but I have still having trouble getting that son of a gun started so that I can start torquing it. Now I may have to put some pressure on this to pull it out so that the ratchet actually works. Right now I'm just trying to screw it in and get it started. So I'll let you know how it goes here in a minute. Okay, I'm back. Alright, as you can see, I've got it finally got to the point where I can start ratcheting. Now let me show you how little you get to ratchet each time. So up, one click, up, one click, up, one click. But at least it's tightening now, and I should have it finished probably in the next 5 minutes, because then all I gotta do is put the bottom screw in. So was it worth it? Now that I'm done, yes, I guess. But if I knew what I know now, oh shoot, I lost it, so I'm gonna have to find it again. I probably wouldn't do it, but hopefully everybody can drill theirs out and make it look really pretty. I did not have a step down drill bit. I do now, but I didn't at the time, so I used the wrong type of bit, and it turned out really horrible, as you can tell. So good luck. Hopefully this helps.